Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another brand new news. It's pretty early days for Google Pixel 7 leaks because we're expecting Google's next Android phone to come out towards the end of the year. But a new piece of information has surfaced which paints an initial picture of the Pixel 6 successor. This information comes from Ross Young, an analyst who specializes in display technology. He tweeted the Pixel 7 will shrink from 6.4 inch to 6.3 inch. The Pixel 6 had a 6.4 inch display, but apparently its successor could be smaller. Young also said that the Pixel 7 Pro will remain 6.7 inch, so no changes for the Pixel 6 Pro's successor. A downsizing of 0.1 inches won't exactly set the world on fire, but it might cross the threshold into easily holdable for some people. That's not all Young wrote. He also said panel shipments to start 1 month earlier this year from May. Display production starting a month early might not sound like huge news, but it does suggest that Google could be doing the same for the other components. The Pixel 6 series was unveiled and released in mid-October 2021. If the Pixel 7 phones do come a month early, they could land in mid-September, which would be prime time for them to better rival the iPhone 14 devices. Young has a good track record, but the wording of their tweet doesn't sound very decisive. So take this information with a pinch of salt. We'll have to wait for more leaks to conquer before we pencil in the Pixel 7 release date for September in our calendars. We're surprised to be hearing about the Google Pixel 7 right now, but not because it's early or anything, but because we're surprised that we haven't been hearing about it much more before. Well, that's all for the Google Pixel 7. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.